KRC, and we are servicing the valve. This is what we call a suction valve. This is the bottom of the suction valve. We are doing cleaning, So in mechanical, our skimming is always held at highest level, 4 degrees. For what? Mind me?
To avoid accident.
Well, to make the what? Make the short. We are doing what? Maintaining.
We are doing maintenance of the compressor. And then,
this valve what? A compressor.
A compressor.
Mainly in two reciprocating compressors.
Yeah.
You have the suction side. You have the air is taken to the filter through the filter. In the filter, the air is what? Clean. And those particles are trapped. Okay?
Yeah.
So that way, after the particles are what? Are done what? Are trapped.
Trapped.
The hair is sucked to the filter. When the suction is going on, or the intake of the hair, the piston goes what? Up.
Yeah.
From the hair to be trapped to the let's say the compressor.
Yeah.
When the piston goes to the bottom dead center.
Yes.
Yeah, you want to get it now. When the piston goes to bottom dead center, the hair is moved to the what? The outlet or the delivery valve. And then the hair is taken to the what? Intercooler.
Yeah.
Or cooling of the hair. Make the molecules more condensed. Okay?
Yeah.
After the hair is taken from the intercooler, it's then moved to the mouth center for hair state. Where the hair is more compressed to make it more intact. Where the molecules are densely compressed. After the as it's compressed the body state or higher state, then it is taken to the reservoir, or the head through the after cooler. Remember you have the
Intercooler. After cooler.
So the after cooler they just have the main reservoir and the head ready for the use. That's all.
Good one.